I'm doing Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. I am so happy to be saying that. If my background looks different, it's just that I recently had a major life change, along with, going to school full time and holding down a fellowship, an internship, a scholarship, 6 classes. I'm also in the midst of moving. So by the time you see this video, I have moved from one place, my original place that I've been filming for the past couple of years, to this new location. So I don't have an official background. So this is my armoire. I hope you like it. I felt it was an interesting and pretty enough background to use for the meantime while I get settled into my new place. So now that I've told you a little personal thing about myself, let me know in the comments below what you found exciting or not exciting about moving. I've got some tales. I don't know if I'm going to film a video about it or not, because I tried to keep this on the beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup tip, but let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in checking out a video like that. And let's get started. All right, what to review? Okay. I think I'm going to start with the lovely Boxycharm. I believe this is for November. So let's look inside and see what's in there. And so I'm going to put my handy dandy reading glasses on. Yeah, I keep buying like different reading glasses and styles and stuff. I call these the Clark Kents. You know, Clark Kent, the persona to Superman. If any of you know. Well, if you didn't know, you know now. So I'm going to open this box. I believe this is the premium for November 2022. There we go. How lovely it is. And this says it's giving giftable glam. I don't know if you can see that there. So yeah, I think this is the right box for November. And I have a description card in the back. So let's see. Ooh, the first thing I see in here is from Kate Somerville. What is this? The Skin Health Essentials Expertise. Oh, I'm curious. What is this? All right, so I have the card here. And this is the Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser. The retail price for this is $44 US. Okay, Kate Somerville. We're going to have to try you, find out if you are really worth the hype that you've been getting. $44. What size is this? Oh my gosh, this is 4 fluid ounces. Like I said, skincare is pricey, but good skincare is even better. It doesn't necessarily have to be pricey, but it's all about skincare. Well, yeah. All right, the next thing I have in here is from Iconic London, and this is their Precision Duo Contour Pots. You can see that there. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's a very sexy packaging, which will quickly get fingerprints on it, unfortunately. Please forgive the noise that you see here because I'm filming right by my front door, so it can be a little challenging with the sound. But that looks like the bronzer. It looks very nice. And it looks like it has a second, thing under here. Do you see that? Looks like it has a second compartment. It's another one. Ooh, so it has one and it has a mirror. Oh wow, that's strange. So, oh, this feels real creamy. I'll put that there. And the funny thing is that it's so creamy. Can you see that? Yeah, it's, oh wow. So it looks like I can only open one of these at a time, which is frustrating. I never understood why packaging has to be so difficult, but you know. And this is another cream. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting 2 creams like that. And that's the second one. I'll put that one here. But it's weird because this one is not as dark as the first one. I'll show you. Do you see? This is the second one, and that's the first one. See it? It doesn't have a scent, which is nice, but it's like a contour cream. Really interesting. How much does this bad boy cost? The iconic London Precision Duo Contour Pot. It's a 2-in-1 cream and powder, although they both felt like cream. Contour pots for a natural lifted look. The retail price is $28 US. 28, huh? For this. Okay, what's next? The next thing in here I see is from a company called, what is this? Skin Ink? This is not in any particular order, is it? I don't know. This is so weird. What is this Skin Ink? It's a sculpt lift bar. It's, look at that. That looks like almost like an old-fashioned razor in a way. But it's called a sculpt lift bar. So what does this do? This is from Skin Ink. It says 24 karat gold. Provides multiple benefits for inner and outer beauty for glowing skin and a youthful appearance. The pulsating massage is also relaxing and de-stressing. For busy urbanites like us, this handy tool is a real-time saver in our increasingly hectic lifestyles. Would you believe this is $125? 125 smackaroos. Trying to figure out how to open this. Here we go. It comes with a lovely little pouch for it, so you don't have to keep it in the box. And it looks like ooh, this is probably soothing from under the eyes because it's like made of metal. I mean, just touching it now feels really, ooh, it feels nice. And it has heft to it. I wonder if it has real gold in it. It says 24K. And that's how it looks in the box. $125. I don't know how I feel about that, but will I try it? Yeah. Do I find a lot of these things gimmicky? These beauty tools? Yeah. But you know, $125. Wow. Wow. I'm sure there's instructions that come with this as far as using it to, you know, to pull the gently the meat and skin back and the lymphatic drainage type of stuff, but you get the idea. Hope you like my hat. For those in the know, you know what it is. I love this hat. Okay. The next thing I have here is from Complex Culture, which is an Ipsy brand, which, as we all know, Ipsy bought Boxycharm. So it's all relative. It all relates. What is this lovely number, you wonder? It is the Executive Level Mascara. And this rates, the price of this is what? $28 US. I'm not going to open it. Excuse my voice. I'm not going to open it, but just because I have one of these, so I'm not going to just open for the sake of opening it, because as you know, if you're a long-time viewer of my channel, when it comes to mascaras, my attitude is once you open up the cartridge, the time starts ticking as to how long it's going to keep its integrity and potency once you introduce air to the barrel. So I'm going to keep hold on this. I love the design. It's very sleek, very beautiful. But I know I've featured the mascara here before from Complex Beauty. And maybe I'll do an upcoming video to see how it tests. What do you think? If you're interested, let me know down below. Okay. What's the next thing here I have here? Oh, this is translucent. I hope I pronounced this right. Beauty. And this is Always Suave Lip Scrub. Oh, and what's the price for this? $14. $14, y'all. I think this is a brand. Oh, okay. So it comes in this little container like so. Bright yellow. And this is what it looks like. And it almost looks like a regular lipstick, to be quite honest. It doesn't look like lip scrub. But seeing that my lips Seems it has like a slightly fruity scent. So if you're not into any fragrances or scents, this may not be for you. Oh, it's a little grainy. First it's like really smooth, but then it gets a little grainy. But yeah, there is a bit of roughness to it. I like it. I welcome it. I love all types of things that care for the skin, especially the lips. They're very delicate. That's all I'll say on that. And what else do we have here? Oh, something in a very sleek box here. And this is from St. Luke's. And this is the Morganite? Really? Morganite and Carnelian Gel Lip Liner Duo. For lips? What? Okay, St. Luke's or St. Luke's. And this is the two right here. This looks more like the Carnelian, most likely. But I am loving it because I don't know, I'm getting into like lip pencils now. And this is the, okay. Oh yeah. I'm loving the point there. Do you see it? Yeah, so you'll definitely need a sharpener, but look at that. Beautiful colors. Perfect for fall. I'll definitely be wearing them. And they feel so creamy going on. What's the retail price for this duo set? It's a new launch and it's $30 US. I just wanted to show real quick the Kate Somerville, just for funsies. Oh, it's a pretty good sized bottle considering the box. There we go. Looks rather pink inside. See? Looks almost like a mud mask. This is the Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser. So yeah, I'll probably put this in my daily face wash. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and thank you for joining me on my latest adventure and the slow reveal of being in a new place. It's a little disorienting, but I'm settling in, and hopefully I will be producing more videos as time goes on and get a little more comfortable with this new setup. I'm still missing pieces. I'm trying to find my lighting. I can't find my lighting. So I'm just depending on the light coming in from the window as well as an overhead light for now. I hope that that's okay for now. Again, thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care and stay safe. Bye.